couple of months ago, Lisa and I had the great opportunity to go to Northern Ireland as part of a Lean conference touring Seating Matters. And after the conference, we got together with some Lean Maniac friends of ours and rented motorcycles from Belfast Harley Davidson and toured Northern Ireland for 4 days riding motorcycles. It was amazing. When we started out, we were prepared for cold weather and rain, and within a short time, the weather had turned beautiful and I was down to a long sleeve shirt. Temperatures in the 80s and just beautiful, beautiful country. Fun stuff figuring out how to drive on the left-hand side of the road. Every time a car would come around the corner like this, it would scare me to death because I'm like, he's in the wrong side. But we had a great time. Go ahead and check out some of the cool stuff that we saw. So I'm here in Ireland. I'm out in a morning walk, couldn't sleep, and I walked all the way down the beach trail. It started out at 5:30. I've been out for about an hour, and I'm walking back along over there a ways, and I'm talking to myself. So I can see that I'm one of those guys now that I walk down the road and I'm talking to myself. But anyways, I hear some people behind me, and I say good morning to this guy, and we get talking, and you know, he's from here, and he gives me a little bit of history, and he says, you know, do you have family here? I have ancestors from here. I said, my last name's Holland. And he went on to give me a very popular name in Ireland. A couple of people, apparently the guy that invented the submarine was from here, and was last name Holland. Didn't know that. So we walked over here, and he says, hey, let me give you a little history lesson. And so we're in this little, this is kind of the end of the bay inlet right here. And over my shoulder right in here, let me flip around so you can see it. This wall right here, you can see sticking out are these, there's 4 steps here. That's what's left of it. Apparently there was more at one time. Those 4 steps are called the famine steps. And so when people left here during the potato famine, they would come here, they would walk down those steps, they would get in a rowboat here, and it would take them out to the harbor to get on a sailing ship to come to America. So Raymond was his name. So I had a very pleasant 10-minute walk with Raymond. Turns out, I said, what do you do? And he says, I'm a joiner. And I said, what's that? He says, I'm a woodworker. And he made some stuff. And I'm a cabinet guy. And gave him my card, told him to send me an email. And so super, super friendly. What a great guy. And what a great morning walk. And just, you know, opportunities when you're out there, say, well, I said hi, good morning, and that's where that conversation came from. So anyways, great morning walk. Okay, Lisa and I are here in Baja, Mexico. Oh, no. Where are we at?
You might want to start that over.
We're in Ireland. We're actually kind of disappointed in the weather. We brought all of our rain gear, waterproof boots, and the whole thing. And the weather has just been freaking amazing the whole time we've been here. And we are at this beautiful beach in Northern Ireland. And I've got my swim trunks on and going for a swim with the rest of the guys. And beautiful, beautiful day.
Okay, now.
Beautiful Irish morning. We're out here. I don't know where we're at, but we're in Ireland and we're staying in this nice hotel on the beach. and we're heading down right now. Got tucked into cold plunging this morning with these guys, and we're actually going to go out. You can see handsome Rob out there on the diving board. So walk over here, climb up.
This little spot here was about a 5-mile loop that Tom took just out of a whim, and it turned out to be amazing. Lisa wanted to see a castle, and so Tom took us up. We went through this beautiful scenic ride through the trees here, and out on the lake we had a complete tour of this small castle that was right on the water. Just beautiful and amazing to see the history. We pulled into this beautiful, picturesque town. It didn't get any better than this, and we had dinner right across the street from this pier at a beautiful seafood restaurant. And they said, you know, we serve what the guys caught this morning, so beautiful, fresh food, amazing, amazing food.
Yeah, I don't think.
And when everyone's set up, I'd love to get a photo.
The last day of the trip we spent in Belfast, went and saw this modern castle, and it had some amazing woodwork on the inside of it. And then JB took us down to the Peace Wall, and this is the wall that used to divide Belfast back when they had violence and stuff going on there. And so we got a private tour from
Derrek,
JB
what did you
on
put?
it. Peace through lean, baby.
Here we go. The 2-second lean. Smile, guys.
We finished the trip up and unloaded our stuff and returned our bikes to Belfast Harley-Davidson. They did a great job. Had a great time with these guys. Wonderful 4-day trip. Thanks, everyone.